Buying sacrificial animals for Eid al-Adha is a tradition for Muslims. But did you know you can buy goats by investing in mutual funds? How it works. Choose the right mutual fund. Pick a mutual fund with good and consistent long-term growth. Set a target. Calculate how long you want to invest to reach the target price of a goat. Invest regularly. Allocate funds routinely to invest in your chosen mutual fund. Monitor investment performance. Track your investments progress regularly to ensure you reach your target. Example: price of goat Rp to 5,000. Investment target 1 year. Potential mutual fund return 10% per year. By investing Rp to 1 to 8,000 per month for 1 year, you have the potential to reach your target for buying a goat. Benefits of investing. Build saving habits. Investing helps you save consistently, earn returns. The potential return from mutual funds can help you buy a goat at a lower price. Minimize risk. Mutual funds are managed by professionals, minimizing the risk of loss. Tips. Consult a financial planner for investment advice that suits your risk profile. Choose a reliable and user-friendly investment platform. Understand your risk profile and the potential return of a mutual fund before investing. Conclusion: buying goats with mutual fund investment is a smart and convenient way to achieve your financial goals. With planning and discipline, you can celebrate Eid al-Adha more meaningfully.